Hey guys, welcome to my channel Smart Home, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the best air purifiers in 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best air purifiers in 2025. You can buy today. All the products are linked in the description below. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Tune till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. NuWave OxyPure. The NuWave OxyPure is a high-end air purifier. Its main selling point is its novel reusable filtration system, which uses washable pre-filters, BioGuard filters, and pellet-type activated carbon filters that the manufacturer advertises to last 20 years without needing replacing. As befits a high-priced machine like this, the NuWave also boasts Wi-Fi connectivity and built-in particle sensors that allow it to change its fan speed depending on ambient air quality. The NuWave OxyPure is an excellent choice for pet owners. Its multi-stage filtration system allows it to trap a variety of particle sizes, and it has a sufficiently high clean air delivery rate to operate efficiently in larger rooms. While it's somewhat Number 2. Levoit Core 300S. The Levoit Core 300S is a compact air purifier. It's effectively a lightly upgraded version of the older Levoit Core 300. The main differences lie in the addition of convenience features. The 300S features an air quality sensor that allows for fully automatic operation, with support for voice controls and integration with the VSync smartphone app, allowing you to remotely set operating schedules or adjust the fan speed. It also features an optimized motor that draws less power than its predecessor, though it does use the same three-stage filtration system. The Levoit 300S is good for bedrooms. It operates quietly, even at higher fan speeds, and it features a night mode that turns off its display indicators, so you won't have to cover up any bright lights if you leave it running overnight. Its compact size makes it easy to fit in even the smallest bedrooms. Number 3. GoveeLife Smart Air Purifier Lite. The GoveeLife Smart Air Purifier Lite is a space-saving air purifier that's easy to use, thanks to simple onboard touchscreen buttons, app, and voice control. It has a list price of $49.99/£59.99 on the Govee website and is also available to purchase at Amazon. Both Govee and Amazon offer the occasional discount on the GoveeLife Smart Air Purifier Lite, so it's worth checking in to see if there's a deal to be had. Replacement filters can easily be purchased from the Govee site and Amazon for a price of $19.99/£19.99. This is an acceptable price for a 3-in-1 HEPA filter. However, this depends on how long the filter life is, which is currently an unknown as Govee doesn't appear to have provided this information. A great size for placing on your desktop or dresser. The GoveeLife Smart Air Purifier Lite measures just 6.2 by 6.2 by 10.75 inches/158 by 158 by 273 millimeters and is delightfully lightweight. Number 4. Alen BreatheSmart 45i. The Alen BreatheSmart 45i is just one of many air purifiers on the market. And, if you're like me when it comes to tech that doesn't exactly tickle the dopamine receptors, it's easy to skip the reviews and simply opt for something from your nearest big box store. However, when it comes to air purifiers, you probably shouldn't do that. Not only are you in the market for something that literally cleans the air you breathe, but many of the best air purifiers are either unlikely to be available from that big box store, or, if they are, will go for a price that will make you want to reach for something on a lower, cheaper shelf. Quality is key when buying an air purifier, then. Having spent a month, if not more, with the Alen BreatheSmart 45i, I'd say that it definitely fits that category of product, equipped with a color-changing air quality indicator, multi-speed/turbo modes, and an auto mode that adjusts fan speed based on real-time air quality. Number 5. Levoit Vital 200S. The Levoit Vital 200S is an air purifier intended for medium-sized spaces. It's specifically marketed towards owners of heavy-shedding pets, with a U-shaped air inlet that's intended to resist clogs from large amounts of hair. Compared to models in Levoit's Core lineup, like the similarly sized Levoit Core 600S, which uses cylindrical filters, the Vital 200S uses rectangular ones. However, the underlying three-stage filtration system is very similar in design. The Levoit Vital 200S is an amazing option for pet owners. It does a fantastic job of capturing small particles like dog or cat dander, and its U-shaped air inlet is designed to purposely reduce the chances of hair from clogging the system. The manufacturer also offers a specially designed filter that's meant to provide additional protection against pet allergens and minimize pet odors. It even operates fairly quietly, which is good if your pet is sensitive to loud noises. The Levoit Core 400S and Levoit Vital 200S are somewhat evenly matched machines, though we give the edge to the Vital 200S. Number 6. Molekule Air Pro. The Molekule Air Pro does exactly what you'd want an air purifier to do. It detects and tracks changes in the air quality in your home. Leaping into action is needed when set to auto mode. It lacks Bluetooth connectivity, and the app should really have more features considering the sky-high cost, but it's been the best air purifier I've tested so far as a result of good detection, detailed air quality readings, and its odor control functionality, in particular. Air purifiers can be considered yet another unnecessary gadget adding to the clutter in our homes, but if you want to dull strong odors, or try to reduce levels of hay fever-causing pollen indoors, the Molekule Air Pro could actually prove helpful. I had the pleasure of testing a unit to see how it compared to the best air purifiers on the market. I loved its simple and aesthetically pleasing app, which kept me well informed with real-time and historical indoor air quality readings. But, at this price point, I expected more features. I won't lie. I winced the first time I became aware of the Molekule Air Pro's price. I felt sure it must be massively overpriced, but its FDA 510(k) Class 2 medical device clearance, impressive detection and responsiveness, and informative companion app have changed my tune, albeit begrudgingly. It's worth bearing in mind that Molekule recommends that the filters are changed every 6 months, with replacements costing $174.99/£159.99. Number 7. Dyson Purifier Humidify+Cool PH04. The Dyson PH04 is a high-end evaporative humidifier that also functions as an air purifier. It has a coverage of 400 square feet and a 4.2 L, 1.1 gallons, water tank, enough to run the machine for approximately 20 hours. As an air purifier, it has a HEPA 13 filtration system and a separate catalytic filter to destroy formaldehyde. You can operate it remotely using your smartphone through the My Dyson companion app, and the Dyson PH04 is a very good option for general home use. It's fantastically easy to clean, even if you don't use its automatic deep clean feature, which takes a lot of the tedium out of day-to-day maintenance. Its humidification capacity isn't class-leading, but it'll be reasonably quick in adding moisture to medium-sized bedrooms or offices. Unfortunately, it is a pretty tall unit, which can make it difficult to place in tighter spaces, and its overall efficiency is pretty poor. And the Dyson PH04 is a hybrid air purifier/evaporative. Number 8. Coway Airmega 250S. The Airmega 250S doesn't look as modern as other smart air purifiers such as the Dyson PurifierCool TP07 or the Sharp FXJ80 UW air purifier. The bulky gray appliance measures 19.7 by 18.5 by 8.0 inches (HWD) and closely resembles old-fashioned box fans. It sports a large, off-white removable grille on the front and a textured panel along the bottom edge. Built-in handles on either side help you lug the 20-pound machine around your home. A panel on the left side houses the pollution sensor. The 250S measures the PM10, coarse particles such as mold spores, dust, and pollen, and PM2.5, fine particles from tobacco smoke, cooking, and fireplaces, levels in your home, but doesn't offer the more advanced volatile organic compounds, carbon dioxide, and carbon monoxide measurements that you get with similarly priced smart air purifiers such as the Aura Air. The top of the cabinet is home to an LED strip that indicates the current air quality. The strip glows blue when the air quality is good, level 1, green when it is moderate, level 2, yellow when it is unhealthy, also level 2, and red when it is very unhealthy, level 3. The strip shares space with a power button, a light sensor, a Wi-Fi button, a button that turns all of the indicators and the LED strip on and off, a filter replacement indicator, a fan speed button with 3 settings, 1 to 3, and a mode button that toggles between smart. Number 9. Levoit Air A3 Air Purifier. The Levoit Air A3 is designed for spaces of up to 1,070 square feet and uses a 6-stage filter system to clean 8,560 cubic feet of air in 30 minutes. The rectangular device can be hung on a wall or placed on the floor as a freestanding unit. Measuring 19.7 by 18.9 by 8.4 inches, HWD, and weighing 20 pounds, it's significantly larger and heavier than the similarly shaped $500 Aura Air, 14.7 by 14.7 by 6.0 inches, 12 pounds, which is meant for rooms up to 600 square feet. The front of the A3 holds a 16.6 by 17.2 inch HW magnetic filter/air intake cover that you can have embellished with one of a variety of artwork prints including Vincent van Gogh's The Starry Night, Katsushika Hokusai's The Great Wave. Number 10. Sharp FXJ80UW Air Purifier. The FXJ80UW has a large inlet on the back through which it draws in air. The air passes through a pre-filter that traps dust and other large airborne particles, an active carbon deodorizing filter, and a true high-efficiency particulate air (HEPA) filter before it's discharged through air outlets on the front and top of the device. To comply with current standards, HEPA filters are tested and certified to remove at least 99.97% of dust particles, as small as 0.3 micrometers. As Wirecutter recently reported, a NASA study found that HEPA filters can capture almost 100% of particles as small as 0.01 micrometers, or 10 nanometers, while exceeding the standard. To put that in perspective, COVID-19 is about 60 to 140 nanometers in diameter. The FXJ80UW supplements its HEPA filtration with Sharp's plasma cluster ion technology designed to eliminate microscopic pollutants that evade traditional filters.